Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you the newest additions to Operation Bloodshed. So, as you can see, we have many new elements on the screen here. On the left of the player, we can see the breakable wall, which is a wall that can be destroyed by gunfire. Then we see these yellow doors that are triggered by the pressure plates. We have two kind of pressure plates. This one with 4 diamonds is the multi-use pressure plate, while this one with the single diamond is the single-use pressure plate. So if we step back on and off of the multi-use pressure plate, we see that we can toggle the doors. The door status can be closed or open, or we can set in the editor to only open the door or only close the door, while the single-use pressure plate can only be used once and it stays triggered, so stepping back on it won't do anything. Then we have some new turret types. You can see the one in the bottom right corner, the green one, which shoots big plasma balls that explode, and in the center of the screen you can see the blue one, which shoots laser beams in 3 directions. So let's try to play this level. I'll first destroy the green turret. Okay, now I have to deal with these turrets. But you can see there is a pressure plate here, and it will trigger the doors that open, the doors that contain the flying balls. So I'll have to be careful. And I died. So let's see in the editor, what does it look like? Okay, this is the same level I just played, but in the editor. So we can see the number on the tiles is the ID of the tile. So if we have a pressure plate with ID 5, it will act on a door of ID 5, obviously. You can change the ID with the mouse wheel and some modifier keys, shift and control. Also you can set the ID with the keyboard and then spawn things of that ID. I've also implemented the peeking feature, so if I just want to erase these doors, I do not have to find the floor tile on all the tiles. I can simply pick the floor tile from here, for example, and then I can just use it. So it's much faster than manually looking through all the tiles to find what you want. Then I've also implemented a text that shows the current parameters. As you can see, if I hover the pressure plate, on the bottom of the screen I have action and ID. I can switch between the parameters with the keyboard, and then I can modify the parameters by pressing modifier keys and using the scroll wheel. So in this case, action is a value that should be between 0 and 2. 0 means toggle, 1 means open, and 2 means close. So in the future probably I'll have it just say open, close and toggle, but for now it's easier to see the number. So if I want to create a door or a pressure plate, I simply set them to the same ID and they will work together.